Hi, I'm Janecia of Alton Realty, and I'm standing in the kitchen at 5342 Falling Water Drive because it's pouring down raining outside as it does every afternoon in Central Florida. This is still a lovely home that you want to take a look at because it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house on just over 1,800 square feet, but it's on like a huge lot, almost a ½ acre. But enough of me talking about it, let's take a look. What'd you think of the house? It's great, right? The thing is that our listings have not been lasting on the market for very long, so contact me right away for a private showing. And thank you so much for watching the video. Have a great day.